Hello guys, welcome once again. This is Kinetich. Let's have fun once again. So we have on the board, we're being told to calculate the percentage by mass of sulfur in Na2SO4. That is sodium tetraoxosulfate 6, right? So this is general formula. Percentage by mass of what? Sulfur in Na2SO4 is equal to the mass number of sulfur over relative molecular mass of this compound. Relative molecular mass of Na2SO4 multiplied by 100. Okay, so now we are going to calculate the relative molecular mass of this. Okay, then we'll come back to this formula. Now, the relative molecular mass of Na2SO4 is equal to, now we're going to add up the masses of these elements in this compound. We've done that before, but let's just do it again. So we have 23 multiplied by 2. Multiplied by 2 because we have 2 atoms of sodium. Okay? So you say 23, the mass number of sodium times 2. Because here, sodium is 2 here. Okay? Plus mass number of sulfur. The mass number of sulfur is given as 32. It's 32. I've been given already. Plus the mass number of oxygen is 16. We'll be given already. But then you have 4 atoms of oxygen. Okay? Just as like this one, this 2 is affecting only this one, and this 4 is only affecting only oxygen. Right? So we have 16 times 4. So we follow Pentan's or BODMAS to solve now. That is order of operation. 23 times 3 is what? 46. Plus 32 plus 16 times 4 is 60. Sorry, it's 64. Okay? So when we add up everything here, we should be having 142 grams. That is, the relative molecular mass of sodium tetraoxosulfate 6 is 142 grams. So now let's go back to the formula. Now, the percentage by mass of sulfur in this is what? We say mass number of sulfur. What is the mass number of sulfur? The mass number of sulfur is what? 32 over relative molecular mass of sodium tetraoxosulfate 6. And that's what we have as what? 142. Okay? Then multiply by, that is gram, this is gram. Then multiply by 100. Now, gram will cancel gram, of course. We have 32 times, this is a fraction, let's make this a fraction as well. So let's do it this way. 32 times 100 is what? 3200 over 142. If we divide this, we should be getting 22.5. So since we are calculating a percentage, so our answer is what? 22.5%. So I hope this video has helped you, and I've been able to simplify it for you in the best possible way you understand it. So if I've helped you, kindly help me to subscribe to my YouTube channel in order to support me, and also please help me like and share widely. Bye.